Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create KissCut sticker sheets with your Cricut Explore 3. So let's go ahead and get started. For today's project, I'm going to be using my iPad along with this super cute sticker file I'll have linked down below. Now, the very first thing that I need to do with this file, it's already attached and everything we need to make the sticker sheet, but I need to size it down to be within the print and cut area. So I need to go 6.75 by 9.25. So I'll pick whichever one can go, the bigger size. So if it's 9.25, then I'll go 9.25 if that makes sense. Now, if you want a smaller sticker, then you can size it down even further. These are going to be perfect for planners, teachers. You can sell these on Etsy. So I want to show you guys how to create that perfect KissCut. So once we've got this ready to go, we're going to go ahead and print out a copy here. So we're going to go ahead and hit the print and then send it to our printer. So all you got to do at this point is double check that everything's good to go and hit print. Now, a question I get all the time is what printer I use, and it's an HP DeskJet, simple from Walmart. It's like 20 bucks. All right, so now we're ready to hit continue. And then we're going to go ahead and choose, this is where it's important, right? Our settings. So you want to choose washi settings. If you want it to cut all the way through, definitely check that video linked down below or up above to get a die cut. But we want a KissCut where it's going to stay on the sticker sheet. So you definitely want to choose that washi tape setting. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is grab our blue mat. This is perfect for your stickers. It's not going to grab on too hard to our paper. So I've got my paper here printed out, and now we're going to load it onto our mat. Now, the paper that I use, I'll also have linked below. You can get these super cheap on Amazon, and they're actually packing labels, but I use them for the stickers, and they're absolutely perfect. So now, if you want to, you can find some glossy ones or whatever you may prefer for your stickers. These are also great if you guys have an Etsy store to create your thank you stickers or the outside packaging that says, handle with care and all of that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and load it into our machine. And we do need a mat for this one because it's not smart material or anything like that. All right, so we are going to go ahead and let the Cricut go ahead and do its reading, which is that black box that's all the way around. The reason that it's there is so it knows where it needs to cut. This is where it sends the information to the Cricut. So at this point, it's just simply reading it, and now it's going to quickly cut it out. So I will say with the Cricut Explore 3, it has gotten a whole lot faster, and I will say the print and cut feature has really upped its game, and it's got a lot more perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and unload it at this point, and the best way to unload these off your mat is to simply flip it upside down and then peel it off. This is going to help your paper not curl. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. Now, the very next thing that I want to show you guys is to trim off that black. So if it's for you, for personal use, you don't have to do this, but if you plan on selling these or giving them away, make sure you guys definitely trim away the black markings here. It's just going to look a lot more clean cut and professional and look like a real sticker sheet. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly go all the way around and trim all of this off. The perfect for this is your Cricut trimmer or any paper trimmer that you may have on hand. If you use scissors, you definitely can, but you're going to get more of a straight edge with your paper trimmer. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and check out our super cute sticker sheet. Once again, if you guys would prefer where it was die cut, where they cut all the way through, make sure and check that video out. Like I said, it's linked down below or up above. But look how perfect that KissCut is. It comes out perfect every single time. All you need to choose is that washi tape setting, and you are going to be golden. Now, like I said, these sticker sheets are over on Amazon. I get like 500 of them for like 30 bucks, or you could do 100 of them, I think, for like $10. So, once again, that is linked down below as well. Now, over on Design Bundles, we have tons of these sticker sheets to choose from, so definitely make sure you guys check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.